Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to automate reports in Wave. Now, Wave doesn't currently offer native report scheduling, but you can automate reports generation using third-party tools or workarounds. There are a couple of options. Let's go through them. The first option is manual download with calendar reminders. You can choose your reports, like profit loss or balance sheet reports, whatever it is, and then just set a calendar reminder to download them weekly or monthly. Save in a shared Google Drive or Dropbox folder. The second option is to use Zapier plus Google Sheet. So just create a Zap that adds new transactions or invoices into Google Sheets. Then you can use Google Sheet formulas to auto-generate summaries that are similar to Wave's reports. The third option is to use Wave's data export plus automation tool. Export your transaction data via CSV and use Google Apps scripts or a tool like Integromats to just pull and format reports automatically. Note, while full report automation is limited, Wave is working on enhancing reporting tools, so keep an eye on future updates. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.